Hi there, students. Genealogy. I've also very often heard it pronounced genealogy. Yeah, genealogy or genealogy. I think both are valid. Let's see. Genealogy is the study of the past and present members of a family. Yeah, if you look at your family tree, that is genealogy. This is looking at the previous generations. So you've got your mother and father, and then your 4 grandparents, and your 8 great grandparents, and your 16 great great grandparents. And genealogy is very often a question of how far can you go back? How far back can you trace your genealogy? Okay, genealogy is a noun. It's an uncountable noun. I think maybe for kings and who's going to accede to a throne, genealogy is a very important thing. One thing I think that's been changing recently a lot in genealogy is DNA testing, because DNA can tell you where your ancestors came from. It can tell you that they were of African extraction. Yeah, that it can tell you where they came from. Let's see. So a genealogist is somebody who looks at the different generations of a family. Yeah. A genealogical tree, a drawing showing the history of all of the past and present members of a family joined together. A genealogical survey, yeah, or a genealogical study, yeah. You're looking at the past and present people in a family. It can be quite interesting to find out where your ancestors came from. I think you could also use this word genealogy to talk about the lineage or the pedigree. Yeah, where it came from. I guess you could have the genealogy of an animal, of a racehorse, for example. Yeah. Okay, so it with a racehorse, it may be important where that came from, or the genealogy of a show animal, of a show dog, for example. Okay, so genealogy, yeah, the study or the formal recording of descendants, yeah, a genealogical tree. Okay, so it shows your ancestors, the different people who came before you. So yeah, it's effectively your family history, your lineage. A genealogist studies this question. So yeah, the study of family histories, particularly studying documents to discover the relationship between people, checking birth, marriage, and death records. So doing genealogical research on a family. Like that, you research who married who, and the way the generations developed. Okay, so genealogy. Formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, although I think you could probably use it anywhere. I might use your descent or descendants or something like that more informally. Genealogical tree. Yeah, 6 in formality. And then as to origin, it's another one that comes through French from Latin, genealogia in Latin, from ancient Greek, genea, talking about the generation or the descent, and logia, the study of, yeah, in ancient Greek, genealogia, the genealogy, yeah, the study of the different generations. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Genealogy, genealogy.